Let's see if GPT can give us a simple recipe using basic ingredients found in every home. Hi GPT, give me two healthy recipes using the simplest ingredients that anyone would have at home. One should be a well-known dish and the other something original from ya.
Sure, let's go over the detailed recipe. Ingredients: 500 grams of potatoes, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 eggs, 100 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of flour to taste. Let me introduce you to a Spanish dish called tortilla de patatas. First, we boil the potatoes and then slice them thinly. Next, we thinly slice an onion. In a pan, we saute the potatoes and onion in olive oil until they're soft and golden. Then, we beat some eggs and mix them with the potatoes and onion. Finally, we cook this mixture in the pan until it's perfectly golden on both sides. And there you have it, a delicious tortilla de patatas.
Okay, and what about the milk?
Drink the milk. It's good for you.
All right, now tell me your special recipe.
Sure. Preparation. Step 1. Preparing potato patty. 1. Peel and grate the potatoes. 2. Add a little salt, pepper, and turmeric and mix. 3. Heat some butter in a pan and spread the grated potatoes in a thin layer. 4. Fry both sides until golden and crispy. This becomes the potato patty. Step 2. Caramelizing the onion. 1. Thinly slice the onion. 2. Heat some butter in a pan and add the onion. 3. Once it starts to soften, add a teaspoon of sugar to caramelize. 4. Saute until golden and fragrant. Step 3. Fried egg with runny yolk. 1. Break an egg into the pan and fry it. 2. Keep the yolk slightly runny for that magical moment when you cut it. 3. Add a bit of salt and pepper on top. Step 4. Assembling the sandwich. 1. Take 2 slices of bread and spread a thin layer of yogurt on each. Acts like a sauce and adds a bit of tang. 2. Spread some grated garlic on one of the slices. 3. Place the potato patty first, then add the caramelized onion on top. 4. Put a slice of cheese to make it nice and melty in the middle. 5. Now add the fried egg. 6. Finally, place the second slice of bread on top. Step 5. Final heating. Optional but recommended. Place the sandwich in a pan and press it slightly, or put it in an air fryer for 2 to 3 minutes. This way, the cheese melts and the sandwich holds together nicely. Final step. Thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss more videos, like and subscribe to his channel.